Hey everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to write and how to declare p tag. This p tag will help you to making more information in program. In this, to making this page sections we can create by using the paragraph tag, and where the section is available we can place the p tag to specifying more information and more text, and by applying the styles in next lectures, that is CSS, to making more perfect view and applying the fonts, many things you will learn. So here in this lecture we are focusing how to define paragraph tag, that is P, and how we are going to be adding some text which we want to present in our HTML page. Let's see how it is. So declare here in p tag, that is p open and end, the end tag of p. So in between you can add more text. This is paragraph tag, and here you can add more text. Now by saving this one, so you go to see the output, right click on anywhere in Sublime Text Editor, go to open in browser. So now let's see here. Welcome, the heading tags which are representing here, the earlier we have prepared the previous lecture. So this is, I'm making big for my browser by clicking here and making plus to making the big. So now the heading tag, once it is completed, this is the paragraph tag what we have added here. That's it. However, if you want to add one more paragraph, how simple it is. So let's declare where is this. Yes, paragraph. I am going to park today. So one more paragraph tag is completed. So save it and refresh the page. Yeah, go to the browser and refresh the page. Yes, I'm going to park today. So you're learning a very wonderful lecture. So similarly, if you add more lines, not only a single line, yes, you can add in paragraph. And moreover, I'll show you a simple information in the body tag itself. There is a footer tag is there where we can apply for copyrights and all. So we'll see how we can write. See, the footer tag is there like a open and end braces. So in between the footer tag we can add over here like one more paragraph tag by making the section, and we can also add here for more information of different tags like a bold, style. These all the tags also we can apply. And go to like taking of a copyright symbol, go to Google and search for copyright symbol. Yeah, go to Google and copyright symbol for HTML, or else you can simply type copyright, yeah, logo for HTML. Yes, you can take the copyright symbol. Yeah, it will be displayed like directly code you will get. Copyright sign HTML symbol characters and entity codes. HTML copyright code. If you taken is this span tag, you will get directly, you can take it. If you take in this span tag, you can directly take, or else you can take a logo also. A very simple, like see the source code, footer, and at the rate copy. Everything is coming now. Yeah, I'm taking a few words, a few lines from there. Yeah, paste in between. Okay, this footer is not required for us, which I have done already. 22 HTML paragraph. So save it and reload your browser. Yeah, see at the rate copyright 2022 HTML tutorials. So the C copyright symbol, if you want to register trademark, you just go to Google and hit for registration trademark. You will get very easily. Alright, For more like applying of the styles for these paragraphs and colors, fonts, we'll see in our upcoming lectures of CSS. So happy buddy, happy learning.